And then he throws in Martha Karua in there.
He throws everybody in.
Under the bus.
The president, Murathe, Martha Karua.
He's throwing them all under the bus.
You wait now, tomorrow he will throw in Jeff Koinange live, the award-winning judge. Let me tell you, my brother, you know, when you need to be on television.
Yes.
And you need, I remember Karaoke Chotara.
Yes.
You know, there was a man called Chotara. You remember?
Yes, very well.
And the man, and Nulu Mutesia.
Yes.
And Moi had them because they were court poets.
Yeah.
They had to excite the public. So maybe this guy, Moses Kuria, has got a career in entertainment. But he is a terrible legal asset for the deputy president.
Here's the best part about Moses Kuria.
Yes.
So he appears on a rival television station a few weeks ago.
Yes.
Walks out. 2 minutes later, he walks out. Last night, he appeared again.
Now, actually, you're now confirming the psychological evaluation of an idiot. An idiot also sometimes forgets what they did, and then what they do is they're recreating their... So it's a condition, but it's treatable.
Yeah.
Certainly not on live television. But Jeff, there is a very important point I wanted to make.
Okay, hold that thought, Tony. Hold that thought, because we'll come back from break and you give us that point. And also, I have a story about Chotara, by the way.
Yes.
I mean, you talk about a clown. You talk about a comedian.
Yes.
Chotara, I have the best story for you.
Karaoke Chotara.
Yes.
And a person called Peter Olo Aringo.
Oh my goodness.
Peter Olo Aringo had a finesse and classy English that used to mesmerize Moi.
Yeah.
And the Moi had such poets.
Okay, Di. Let me just give this story before we go to break. I have to give this story because I might forget it. So, Chotara.
Yes.
Ibrahim Babangida.
Yeah.
Remember, former Nigerian head of state?
Yes.
He had come to Kenya, a state visit, came here, and Moi was busy that time. He was doing Moi's time. Moi was busy. He said, Chotara, take this man to the airport. So, Chotara, he didn't know this guy from Adam. So he says, Babagida, asante sana kwa kuja Kenya, ukirudi nyumbani, salimia mama Gida, na Gida mwenyewe. He thought it was Babagida.
I do, and he honestly thought he's talking good English. my. You can't make this stuff up. Oh my God, I'm sorry.
Did you just knock
no.
Did you just knock the trophy?
No, it was Babagida.
You gotta love this man.